I'm Chanvi and you're watching AV News for You. Today we are with Kashvi Jain who has just launched her book. So what's your book? I want to know from your.
Okay, so my book is based in Paris. It's about this girl, Ophelia. She's an art teacher who got fired from her job recently, and then she goes back to her home only to find out that her grandmother died. And then she gets inherited this Parisian apartment from her grandmother. Now, what she doesn't know is that Parisian apartment was home to one of the most influential families of Paris a couple years ago, sorry. And over there she finds a diary, but that diary isn't just any diary. That diary belongs to the daughter of that family. And what makes that family special is that the brother died, he was murdered, and nobody knew who did it. And after the murder, after the unexplained circumstances regarding the murder, the family disappeared from the public view forever. And now she has discovered the diary of the sister, so now she's just trying to piece together all the information that she's getting.
Okay, that's a very nice story. So you are only into suspense, Kashvi, or you have any other genre also? Like you only go for like which I heard actually that you like suspense stories. You watch suspense, you read suspense stories. So is there any other genre you can have a hand in?
Well, it's true that I like thrillers the most, but yeah, I do love other genres the most, such as I read a lot of dystopian and fantasy too. The only reason that I picked my first book as a thriller was because I'm really familiar with the thriller genre. So when it's your first book, you want to write it in a genre that you're comfortable in. Afterwards, you can go out of your comfort zone and just experiment.
Okay, I have this question from a long time. I want to ask you since the show started. I just want to know that what inspired you so much from being a 16. I know you have a teenage life. You have many things. You have friends. You have relationships. You have many things. So what inspired you so much to write a book? Actually, giving time to a book is a big deal. We read a lot of authors. I have read a lot of books which I love. I love like we say Hollywood authors. They are very good in writing. What inspired you?
Exactly a year back, I was at this place in August of 2023, and I won the Delhi Poetry Festival here. That was the starting point, and that prompted me towards writing the book because it gave me this like confidence that even I could write something. Because I've always been a reader, but I've never really written something, and after writing that on my first try, I won something. So that really prompted me towards writing, and that's when I decided that I was gonna write a book.
Okay, so I want to ask you next that okay, fine. You wrote a book. What is difference in your book and other authors' book? If we see, we don't have many young authors in our country, or we can say in foreign also. We don't have many young authors. If we have 23 or max to max 23, or we can go for 30s and after 30s. So how was your writing? Okay, when I read other authors' books, there is a writing which everybody cannot understand. Okay, there is a writing. You know, you wrote a book, so there's a writing which common people don't understand, but readers who are very like particular to their who always read, so they know what writing is, that they understand the writing. So what is easy in your book, so you think that people will be like it will be easy for people to read this book?
I think I tried to make the characters mean something to others. I tried to make them as relatable by incorporating things that I've seen from people around me. One of the major things in both of my characters are that they've lost people that are really important to them, family members that were really important to them. And that's something that everybody relates to. Everybody has lost somebody in their life. So I think that's what makes people get drawn towards the characters. Towards the story, however, I tried to make it as suspenseful as possible. I tried to make the ending unexpected so people can get hooked towards it till the end. And also it's a very short story, like it's just 115 pages, I guess. So I think it's a short story and you can like pretty much read it in one sitting.
Okay, so what do you think, Ashvi? Writing this book will inspire people to read your books more. Are you in that case? Like some authors are very like we can say confident about their books. They want to know actually, and you are the younger one, and I want you to be confident because young minds have a lot of thing in there. So I know that. How can you just go on? So do you think that this will inspire anybody else, do you have any character which can inspire anybody else, like in their own lives?
I think the one major thing that people can learn from my book is to, when you feel something, don't just lose yourself in something else. Don't distract yourself from your reality, because eventually you will have to face it. So why not just face it right now instead of distracting yourself? Because what these distractions do is just take you away from it, and they keep taking you away from it until you eventually have to face the worst outcome. So I think that can inspire people towards.
Okay, so it was a nice interview, taking yours, and I want to congratulate you. And I have a last question. I got a news that you are writing another book. So what genre it is? Like it's suspense or something else? I just want to know.
Poetry. It's a poetry book.
Okay, going for poetry. Okay, very nice.
I've actually been writing poetry for a while, so I thought, like, why not just make it into a book too?
Okay, that was so nice. Thank you so much, Ashvi. Thank you, and watch AV News for you.